Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Biotech investing differs from tech investing. There's often no revenue traction to assess. The startup must navigate the FDA path while dealing with cutting-edge devices and therapeutics. Here are some myths of biotech investing. Myth 1. Biotech startups are building companies. In many cases, the biotech startup will sell during the clinical trials or at FDA approval. They rarely proceed to launching a business. Myth 2. Biotechs take much longer than tech companies to exit. Most biotech startups exit in the 3 to 5 year range, which is often shorter than tech companies. Myth 3. Regulatory is the key hurdle to overcome. In reality, it's proven the therapeutic works. Most drugs fail in clinical trial and never reach FDA submission. Myth 4. Reimbursement is the key to a successful biotech therapy. In reality, it's showing value to the physician and patient through high efficacy and low toxicity that's the key to success. Consider these myths and analyzing biotech startups for investment. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.